Hey everyone, welcome back to the LearnDash Beginner series. In the last video, we built our course structure with lessons, topics, and a quiz. Now it is time to set up payments so students can actually buy your course and get enrolled automatically. We will install WooCommerce, connect a payment method like Stripe or PayPal, create a product, and link it with LearnDash. By the end of this video, your site will be ready to accept payments. Let's start by installing WooCommerce. Go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for WooCommerce and install it. Once installed, click Activate. You will see a setup wizard appear. You can skip most of these steps because we are only going to configure the important settings manually. Now let's set up the basics. Go to WooCommerce, then Settings. Start with the General tab. Set your store currency, usually your local currency. Set your country and any basic details. Then save the changes. Next, go to the Payments tab. Here you can enable Stripe, PayPal, or any other gateway you prefer. If you choose Stripe, click Setup and connect your Stripe account. If you choose PayPal, click Setup and add your PayPal email. These steps are simple, and for now I am just connecting a test account so I can test checkout later. Once everything is connected, make sure at least one payment method is turned on. Now we will create a product that students can buy. Go to Products and click Add New. Give the product a title, for example, Online Course Access. Set a price under Regular Price, and if you want, you can also add a sale price. Before linking the product, we need to install the LearnDash WooCommerce integration. Go to LearnDash Add-ons and install and activate the WooCommerce integration add-on. After it activates, refresh your product edit page. Scroll down and look for the LearnDash panel. Here you will see an option to link this product to a course. Select the course you created earlier. This tells WooCommerce that when someone buys this product, they should be automatically enrolled into that specific course. Click Publish. Now let's test everything. Open your site in an incognito window. Go to the product page and click Add to Cart. Complete the checkout using the method you enabled earlier. I am using a Stripe test card for this demonstration. Once the order is successful, you will land on the Order Received page. This confirms that payments and auto-enrollment are working correctly. And that completes this lesson. You installed WooCommerce, configured payments, created a course product, linked it to LearnDash, and tested the checkout process. Now students can pay and start learning instantly. In the next video, we will add certificates and more advanced features to complete your course setup. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.